My teacher kind of pissed me off today, so I took my anger out on my car. Oh, yup. Now I have all kinds of room for activities. Oh. Should be a nice working space. Full access to everything now. See just how worthless this suspension really is. But I have a couple ideas. Thinking about relocating the lower control arm, moving that mount that way, about an inch on either side, and then taking the bolt hole for the other one back there somewhere, and welding on a plate, and moving it outboard as well another inch, which will of course change the angle of that strut right there. I'm only doing this to clear the dang tires, so we'll see what happens.